The history of hydrangeas dates back to over 23 million years ago. A fossil species called Hydrangea alaskana was recovered from the Jaw Mountain in Alaska, USA, from a section of rock dating back to the Paleogene period. Hydrangea is a genus of over 75 species of flowering plants native to Asia and the Americas. By far the greatest species diversity is in Eastern Asia, notably China, Korea, and Japan. Merritt supreme is a moped-like cultivar that typically grows 3 to 4 inches tall and as wide. It features rose to red sterile florets and huge spherical clusters. Flowers bloom in early July for up to 2 months. Hydrangea flowers are produced from early spring to late autumn. They grow in flower heads, often at the ends of the stems. Typically, the flower heads contain 2 types of flowers: small, non-showy fertile flowers in the center or interior of the flower head, and large, sterile, showy flowers with large, colorful sepals. These showy flowers are often extended in a ring, or to the exterior of the small flowers. Plants in wild populations typically have few to none of these showy flowers, while cultivated hydrangeas have been bred and selected to have more of the larger type flowers. Best grown in rich medium moisture, well-drained soils, and part shade. Tolerates full sun only if grown in consistently moist soils. Soil pH affects the flower color of most cultivars except white. Add aluminum sulfate to the soil to make the flowers bluer, or add lime to the soil to make flowers pinker. Azaleas, hollies, gardenias, and boxwood shrubs will look good planted in front of hydrangeas. Azalea's blossoms will provide early color. The root and underground stem of hydrangea is used to make medicine. People use hydrangea for bladder infections, prostate infections, enlarged prostate, kidney stones, and other conditions, but there is no good scientific evidence to support these uses. Hydrangea may also be unsafe when used in large amounts.